AIRSOFTEK here. Today I just received my run cam, so I'm just gonna open it up. It's good quality. This is the 1080p version, the last version, and it has the 40mm scope, 40mm zoom lens. So as you can see, it's really long. Yeah, and I've put 128 gig SD card on it, I think. If I remember correctly. I'm gonna try to mount it on my gun. Just to look what it looks like. And right now it's winter, so that's not gonna be testing of it for now, but I'm gonna do it later when on the next season. I'm gonna do a video about the performance and what it looks like and all that stuff, because right now, like I said, I'm in Canada, so it's winter, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, fits well. That's pretty badass. I kinda like it. So yeah, I use it a couple of times just to check, and that thing is, a little bit more for sniper setup, because those 40mm lens, they zoom a lot. They zoom really a lot, and I don't know what it, in X, what it is, but yeah, it looks in the video, it looks like you're just shooting someone, like 5 meters in front of you, but it's max range of the gun, at like 300 feet. So that's great, man. That's really good. But that's more like a sniper setup. So I'm thinking for my AR, I'm gonna use I'm gonna buy I think the other one is 25mm zoom lens or some shit like that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that. But so I'm probably gonna buy another one, because that 40mm zoom lens is way too much for an assault rifle setup. If you want a sniper rifle and you are stable and you shoot, because that's another thing, like I got my gun, I shoot, and I it comes to me or I move or whatever, and the BBs doesn't, you don't even see the BB hitting the guy, I just and then I go, and when you move, it zoom, like the ground, and so it's super blurry, super, you watch that video and you want to puke, so yeah, that's pretty much it, I didn't expect that to be really hard to use, but you really have to, get your target, shoot it, and wait, and almost let him, put his hands up or whatever, and then you can move. Otherwise, it's just all over the place, and it's really hard to use that scope cam effectively and have a good video on it. So if you want a scope cam, especially with a 40mm zoom lens on an assault rifle, that's just a quick tips. You really have to move super slowly and all that stuff. Me, I'm more like a rush guy, running around and let's go. So yeah, 40mm, that's way too much. That's way too much. So I'm gonna have to buy a 25mm. I think they are. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, this is the 1080p. I know there's a 4K version. I don't know if the batteries are the same or whatever, but that guy is in 1080p. Man, I have to look, but I think it went for over 3 hours of battery life. and I have a power bank just to put right there, and so I just have to plug it, and it's a little bulky and you know not the best setup for um, agility and all that stuff, but it is what it is. So yeah, I might gonna have to put this on my sniper to do a video about that, because with my AR it was I tried, and it was way too blurry. It was I was just trying to create a video with a couple of shot on people and all that stuff, and I was feeling like next year and all that stuff, so I was about to puke everywhere, so that was pretty bad. So yeah, but those are really great, really sturdy. I think they are waterproof and all that stuff, impact resistant. It's all in CNC, I think you can unscrew that. Yeah, so you can unscrew that. You have an O-ring for so that's pretty good. And that is spring loaded, so when you unscrew that, it's kind of spring loaded, so you always have tension on it. The battery looks to be built in, and your SD card, SD card goes like right there, and you have that. I think that's a Type C. Yeah. So that's pretty good, and you can link it with your phone if you download the app. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.